Barbados tourism industry continues to show encouraging resilience in 2026, building on the strong momentum experienced throughout 2025. Barbados recorded 727,310 long-stay visitor arrivals and 817,950 cruise arrivals during 2025, reaffirming the island's position as one of the Caribbean's leading tourism destinations. This positive momentum has continued into 2026. Up to the end of March, Barbados welcomed 214,944 stayover arrivals and 473,960 cruise arrivals, reflecting sustained demand across both the long stay and cruise sectors. Forward bookings and business on the books continue to demonstrate encouraging demand patterns across Barbados' key source markets, particularly the United Kingdom, United States, Canada, and continental Europe. The UK market continues to perform strongly, supported by long-standing brand loyalty, expanded airlift capacity, and continued demand for high-quality Caribbean experiences. The United States market remains a significant driver of business, particularly within the luxury, villa, and experiential travel segments, while Canada continues to demonstrate stable demand, supported by enhanced connectivity and strong winter travel interests. Across continental Europe, Barbados continues to benefit from growing market awareness and valuable trade engagement opportunities generated through international initiatives and major industry events, including ITB Berlin earlier this year. From an STR perspective, Barbados continues to demonstrate resilience across several key performance indicators. While occupancy levels for January to March were slightly behind 2025 comparatives, ADR performance remained exceptionally strong, increasing 16.4%, while RevPAR increased by 12.5%, reflecting Barbados' continued ability to maintain strong pricing integrity within the luxury and upscale Caribbean market. New global brands entering the market and growing interest in Barbados as both a luxury and experiential destination. At the same time, we must remain realistic and proactive about the challenges confronting the industry. Rising operational costs, labor shortages, infrastructure pressures, global economic uncertainty, public safety concerns, and increasing regional competition continue to impact business across the sector. The BHTA, therefore, remains committed not only to celebrating the successes of the industry, but also to advocating strongly for the policies, investments, and national collaboration necessary to secure Barbados' long-term tourism competitiveness.